In this presentation, we want to see how we are going to solve this binomial distribution question by using StatCrunch. This question says that according to a health publication, 14.3% of persons under the age of 65 have no health insurance coverage. Suppose that 4 persons under the age of 65 are randomly selected, and here we want to do 2 questions right here. One is to determine the probability distribution for the number of X. X stands for who have no health insurance coverage. Okay, yeah. So X is the number of people who have no health insurance coverage. Okay, so basically here we choose 4 persons, then X can be from 0 to 4. Okay, if X equals 4, that means all 4 persons out of 4 people have no health insurance. And what is the probability for that? Okay, so we want to use StatCrunch to do it. Now, here remember this number 14.3% or 0.143 is the probability P that have a no health insurance coverage. No health insurance coverage. And here then we have 4 persons, so N is 4. Okay, so you want to remember N is 4 and P is 0.143. Okay, now let's go to StatCrunch. StatCrunch right here, so you click on that, and then you click on data sets from your textbook. A table shows up. Here we do not have a data, but we know over N and P. Okay, so we do is stat calculator and then binomial distribution. Okay, click on that. Now down here we have is that N is 10 and P is 0.5, but over N is not 10, over N is 4. Okay, yeah, and what was over P? I don't remember. So then you go back, 0.143, 0.143. So I click back here, change this one to 143.143. Now you know down here, X we know choose values is from 0 to 4. Okay, so you want to do is you click on between, and then from 0 to 4, the first one we want to fill in, see is X equals 0. Then how we are going to calculate that? You know, this is X equals, okay, X equals 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you want to do here, you want to input 0 and 0 here. Okay, so X is between 0 and 0, then X is 0 then. Okay, so you click on compute, it then shows up. Okay, X between 0 and 0 means X is 0. Alright, so it's 5394153. So what you want to do is you may then input your answer right down here, round to 4 decimal places as needed. So your down here is 0.539, and behind 4 is 1, so you drop it. Okay, if here were 5 or greater than 5, you round it up. Okay, less than 5, you drop it. So 0.5394, you drop 1. We need 4 decimal places. Okay, now the second one. The second one you want to do is x equals 1. So you do here is 1, and here is 1, you compute. Okay, so you have this is the probability. So then you do is 0.03600. Okay, so there are 4 decimal places. Yeah, again, you need to look at this place. Round to 4 decimal places as needed. Now, then similarly, you can do 2, and then compute. So you do down here will be 0.0901. You see behind this one is this one, so you can drop it. Okay, and then you want to work on 3. Compute. Okay, and then you have the answer is 0.00100. Okay, 0100. You drop these 2, Now the last one is you put 4 here, and you compute. You then have the answer, So that will be what? That will be 0.00004. You drop 1 right here. Okay, so you have all the values right here. Now for this one, the mean of x is you cannot really do by using the stat crunch. For this one, you have to do is by using Excel, or you calculate on your computer. Okay, is what is the mean, the population mean right here is n times p. Okay, what is n? N is 4. Okay, n is 4 right down here, 4 persons. What is p? P is 0.143. If you hit enter, you then have the answer. Remember here in front of the multiplication expression, you have an equal sign. Without equal sign, the answer won't show up. Okay, that's what you want to be careful. So you hit enter, you then have the answer. So you want to input right down here is 0.572. So you can put right here 572. Now, what's the meaning for that? Yeah, it means that you want to do here is that you want to choose on average we would expect this many people out of 4 and age of 65 to have no health insurance coverage. You want to click on B. Okay, and why is not C? Because here you can see is to have health insurance coverage, and here there is a no. Why is no? Is because here point 1, 4, 3 and corresponding to what? This P is for have a no health insurance coverage. Okay, so it's not C. And also it's not A is because it says on average we would expect this many people out of 1. That's not correct. Even here is a decimal because we chose what? 4%. Okay, an age of 65 have no health insurance coverage. Okay, so it should be what? Out of 4. It looks like out of 4 people, they're like 0.5 or maybe 0.6 people have no health insurance coverage. Okay, to see if we did a good job or not, I can check. You do not have to do that. Okay, you do after you are done with all the questions. I just want to show you, I have done a good job. See, here is question 10. 4 out of 4 points. That's great. Okay. I'll see you next time.